You've probably heard the term, but what does 5G really mean?
The fifth generation of cellular technology is already in some of Canada's biggest cities. To start, tech expert Marc Saltzman is back to explain what this technology can do and what you need to get going.
Perhaps you've heard the phrase 5G a lot lately, but you're not exactly sure what it is. Well, you're not alone. So in this week's tech segment, I'm going to break down some geek speak into street speak because 5G is here in many Canadian cities and it's pretty cool. Quite simply, 5G is the fifth generation of cellular wireless technology. First, a bit of a history lesson. 1G, or first generation, was the birth of cell phones in the 70s. Fast forward to the 90s and we saw the emergence of 2G networks, which introduced digital radio signals opposed to analog, which was more reliable and secure. Texting became a thing too. In the early 2000s, 3G opened the door for data services like web browsing, email, and picture sharing. 4G, or LTE, which stands for long-term evolution, is what we've been enjoying over the past couple of years, including faster speeds and other benefits. And now, 5G is rolling out across Canada, first in major city centers, offering several advantages over 4G, including much faster speeds, both today and as much as 100 times faster than 4G in the future. Other benefits of 5G include higher connection density, that is, support for way more 5G devices per square kilometer, as well as lower latency, which is the time required for data to travel between 2 points. Lower latency means near-instant responsiveness in the future. So imagine one day donning a VR headset and watching a live NHL game, or a surgeon performing an operation remotely over the 5G network, or autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars all talking to one another. You get the idea. 5G may start in those larger cities, but you can expect it to roll out to many other communities in the years to come. 5G will also provide faster internet speeds to business users in remote areas of the country that currently don't have access to fiber technology. I'm also excited to see how 5G will impact other technologies like IoT or Internet of Things, where all of our devices are now beginning to talk to one another and through automation can enhance and enrich our everyday lives. Same goes with smart cities that we're starting to see pop up across the country. It's still early days, but exciting nonetheless. So what do you need to get going with 5G? You'll need a 5G compatible device, of course, and that starts with smartphones. There are a few 5G compatible smartphones right now, such as the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, the Note 20, and the LG Velvet 5G. These are some of the first 5G compatible devices in Bell's lineup, with many more to come. But be aware, the 5G network is also backward compatible. Therefore, your older devices will also work on the 5G network, but they'll be limited to what their hardware can handle. But smartphones are just the beginning. We'll see smartwatches and tablets and laptops on the 5G network as well, and many other devices. Well, there you have it, a quick primer on the technology, 5G 101, if you will, and how it'll help consumers, businesses, and governments stay connected and informed with speeds the likes we've never seen before. 5G is poised to bring exciting new opportunities to Canadians in all communities. I'm Marc Saltzman.
And a quick note, you may have noticed some Bell Canada content in Marc's segment. Bell is the parent company of CTV.